Today, I'm going to show you how to make lemon cookies from scratch. This lemon cookie recipe makes a batch of soft, delicious, old-fashioned lemon cookies. And I just have to say, these are probably one of my favorite cookies because they're light, they're delicate, soft and moist, just loaded with lemon flavor. We're going to zest some lemon, we're going to squeeze the juice, we're going to make up a batch of delicious cookies. These are the kinds of things I like to always keep around the house because it's just a perfect little snack. It's great for dessert after dinner. So let's make some moist, delicious, old-fashioned lemon cookies. You've got to try these yourself because I know you'll love them just as much as I do. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is we need 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. So that's going to be one of the first things that I do. Let's get the lemon zest ready. Continue doing mise en place, or is it mise en place? Mise en place. My French isn't so great, but it means to have everything in place before we begin. So, oh, this lemon smells so good. I guess I'll go ahead and zest the whole lemon. You just want to take the outside of the lemon peel and not get down to the stuff on the inside. You like that stuff? What do you think? Does that look like 2 tablespoons? You know, I actually think we could get one more. Let's zest some lemons because I want my lemon cookies to be really lemony. Just delicious. Ah, now we have enough lemon zest. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. Yes, indeed. I've got our lemon. We've got our handy dandy juicer reamer. It juices when you squeeze, and it reams when you rotate. Thank you to the bakerspin in Northampton. They sell this beautiful juicer reamer. Look at what a great job that does. Just slice your lemon in half. This is the one we've already zested. I like to give it just a soft press. Hold it with my thumb. Close that top down. Give it a squeeze, just a light squeeze. And give it a spin. And just like that, you've got a nice amount of beautiful fresh lemon juice. And so the next thing we're going to do is, in a small bowl, we're going to whisk together the eggs, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Always use pure vanilla extract when you're baking because, the flavor is the best. So, 2 large eggs, tablespoon of this beautiful lemon juice. And I'm going to go about 1.5 tablespoons because I really love the lemon flavor. And 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Here we go. Excellent. Next, we're going to mix together the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, we're going to mix together 1 3/4 cups or 210 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 and 1/2 and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I like to use fine sea salt in my baking, so 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt. So we'll just give it a swirl, whisk the dry ingredients together, and we'll mix this together with the wet ingredients, and we'll mix it all together with the creamed sugar and butter and lemon zest. That's how we do it. So So now what we need to do is to beat together 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter softened, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. We like to use a stand mixer for this, but you could certainly use a large bowl. So 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar. One stick or 1/2 cup of softened butter. And boom! And 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. We need to mix this together until it's light and fluffy. 2 to 3 minutes. Here we go. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients, the eggs, lemon juice, and vanilla. And we're going to beat it into the butter mixture just slowly until it's combined on low speed. Now to the wet ingredients, we're going to add the dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder, and salt. There we go. Now we want to mix this on slow speed until just combined. So we want to cover and chill our dough for 30 minutes. It's going to make it a lot easier to scoop it out onto the baking sheets. It'll still be sticky. Why does plastic wrap not stick to my stand mixer bowl? Chill for 30 minutes. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the centers are just barely set, about 11 to 12 minutes. Let them cool on a wire rack completely before storing in an airtight container. Now that our dough's been chilling for 30 minutes in the refrigerator, here we go. We're going to form the dough. Form the dough into balls using a cookie scoop or a tablespoon. Handy dandy cookie scoop. I love using my cookie scoop, but you know, guys like hardware and tools and stuff, right? Okay. Form the dough into balls using a cookie scoop or tablespoon. Then roll each in confectioner sugar.
Yum.
Confectioner sugar. Place them 2 inches apart onto the prepared baking sheets. All right, let's see if we can make some balls. All right. This is how we do it. I like to really press it into the cookie scoop. Look at that. Oh, my hands are going to be a mess, aren't they? It's sticky, but manageable. There's one. One, two. Says you can fit 8 balls on a standard 9x13 baking sheet. 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. And let's find out. Let's see what we got here. Batch number 1. Into the oven she goes. You're going to love these cookies. I've made these before and I just know this is a great recipe and they always come out perfectly. So I hope you try them. Be sure to click the like button, little thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments below so I can see how it went for you or if you have any questions. And here we go. Here are the results. Look at these beautiful lemon cookies. If you could only smell these. Someday, maybe the internet will figure out how we can do that. Oh, it'll be a mess, but I do hope you try to make these at home. If you do, please let me know how they came out because I love these cookies. It's one of my favorites, as I said at the top, and I'd love to see how they work out for you. Do click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.